Jacksonville, Florida-based heat and air company that we've turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of Powell Heating and Air Conditioning, known online as powellac.com. David Powell is amongst one of the most respected owners in the heating and air conditioning industry, and this company grades with excellent marks across the board for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews and testimonials, and much, much more. So if you live in St. Johns County, Palm Coast, Palatka areas, and you need heating and air conditioning services, including repairs and installations, check out Powell Heating and Air Conditioning. From amongst 300 plus HVAC contractors in your area, Powell AC is the only company that's receiving our seal of industry excellence. To learn more about Powell, check out the details below. Give them a call today, and again, congratulations to David Powell and the entire Powell Heating and Air Conditioning team.